Are you tired of searching on YouTube again and again, but still not finding a proper tutorial on how to create backyard underground bunker time-lapse videos using AI? Don't worry, you're in the right place. As you already know, here we provide highly engineered master prompts and teach only free methods to create trending content. So today, we're going to break down exactly how to create these cinematic underground bunker time-lapse videos step by step. And if you follow this workflow carefully, you can use this single system to consistently create content and grow your entire channel. Let's get started. To create these types of videos, you need one master prompt file. Inside that file, you'll find one image generation prompt and 14 video generation prompts. You simply copy and paste them in sequence, and you'll get a complete bunker construction time-lapse like this. First, we generate the image. Whisk. Choose the vertical aspect ratio. Now, copy the image prompt from the file and paste it into the prompt box. Then click Generate. After a few seconds, images will appear. From those results, choose the one that looks best to you. For example, I'll select this one and download it. Now, this image will act as the starting frame for your first video. Upload the downloaded image back into Grok AI. Next, copy the first video generation prompt. Paste it below the image and run it. After some time, your first construction clip will be generated. Now open that video and move to the very last frame. Take a screenshot of that final frame and crop it into a vertical portrait format. This cropped frame will now become the starting point for your second video. Go back to Grok AI, upload this cropped image, copy the second video generation prompt, paste it, and generate again. Then repeat the same workflow. Use the last frame of each video to generate the next stage of construction. Continue this process until all 14 clips are generated. Once everything is ready, import all the clips into your video editing software in proper sequence. I recommend keeping the original construction sound effects because they add realism and make the final result much more immersive. And that's it. Your AI-generated underground bunker time-lapse video is complete. If you want more step-by-step AI content creation methods like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.